Introducing Reiki. Reiki is the name for an ancient art of natural healing. Japanese in origin, the word Reiki means universal life force energy. Rei meaning universal, and ki meaning life force energy, also known as chi or prana. Attuning to Reiki allows us to channel this life force energy to create balance within the body, mind, and soul. When the body is at ease, it has the natural capacity to heal itself. Reiki promotes balance and ease on every level: physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual. It also encourages growth in all areas of our life. Reiki is not a religion, and we do not need to believe in any one religion or follow any particular discipline to work with this wonderful gift. It is believed that it originated out of Buddhism, but can be traced back thousands of years, spanning many diverse cultures and civilizations. It is recorded that the original art of hands-on healing was first practiced in India, where a young Jesus lived for a while with a group of saints, where he was able to develop his own gift. Healing with energy in this way was reintroduced in its present form as Reiki by Dr. Mikao, Usui, in the late 19th century. After many years of dedicated research, Reiki flows through every living thing, as all is made up of universal life force, and we all have the ability to use it. What makes Reiki unique is the process of attunements and a specific set of Reiki guides who work alongside us. The attunements are an ancient process of initiation, which connect us with the Reiki energy in a direct way, attuning our whole self with the symbols, which are used as a key to switch the energy on, as well as assisting us to fine-tune our physical and etheric bodies to be able to withhold a higher vibrational level. We are opened up to the energy, allowing us to become a clear and purified channel through which the energy can better flow. Once the channel is open through this attunement process, it remains open for life and is activated simply by intent. And from level 2 onwards, with the added power of the use of the Reiki symbols, what we focus on grows, and the more we use and work with the energy, the greater its flow and strength within our lives. During a treatment, Reiki does not come from the healer. It is drawn through the body of the practitioner from the universal energy source. The energy simply moves through the channel, transmuting negativity and blockages within the practitioner, ensuring only pure Reiki energy is passed through. No negativity can be passed on from healer to healee in the process of a Reiki treatment. As a result, the practitioner will never be drained of their own energy when using Reiki correctly, as the energy comes from the universe and not from us. One of the main benefits of Reiki is as self-healing. Scientific proof. Research carried out at Stanford University using highly sensitive technology has determined that Reiki energy moves into the body of the practitioner through the head at the crown chakra and exits through the hands. Once activated, it seems that the energy flows in a counterclockwise spiral motion, much like the double helix seen in DNA. This spiral motion of energy is supported by the findings of many physicists and is in line with the teachings of many great spiritual masters. There are many hand positions used to pass Reiki to both ourselves and to other beings, and direct touch to a deceased area has great potential to help it heal. However, Reiki energy flows naturally to where it is needed, and we do not need to try to diagnose, direct, or heal. There are many factors that contribute to illness and to healing. Our job is not to try and heal, but merely to facilitate healing. We become a channel for the energy to pass through and need not take responsibility for whether another being will heal. We allow the Reiki and the individual's life plan to decide the outcome of any healing modality offered. There are many ways in which we can assist the ease of a healee. I personally feel that ease is the most important of all. Each being will draw into themselves the amount of energy that they need to bring about the necessary changes to create balance within their lives, if they're ready to do so. Raising consciousness. As Reiki moves into our lives, it creates balance and promotes healing of the whole system and life, spurring us on to a higher level of spiritual awareness along with evolution. It can break through our limiting belief systems and increase our ability to take responsibility for our own lives and well-being. Reiki is a powerful transformational tool. The only difference between an unenlightened person and an enlightened one is the way we view reality. Reiki helps us to awaken on every level and to learn in time to live and enjoy life in the fullness of who we really are. Reiki, in its pure form, has no known contraindications to my own knowledge and experience, as well as that of many other practitioners. However, there are some who believe that there are instances in which we should not apply Reiki, and it is up to us to investigate and go with what we feel right in ourselves, alongside the agreement of anyone involved, as well as the person we are treating. Reiki energy is completely safe for all age groups, including pregnant ladies. It is particularly beneficial and enjoyed by babies in the womb. We have many beautiful reports of easy births following a pregnancy which has been blessed by the gift of Reiki.